Well, there's a lot of people that pretend to teach Poi, but they're doing tutorials that are videos, which are different because there's no direct feedback in a video. Whereas I've actually taught, I had a studio in San Francisco from 2002 until they made me close it for COVID in 2020. And I've taught in person, nearly 10,000 people have come through the school. This is not the same as making a video where you're speaking into the void and you're not actually giving feedback. And videos say the same thing at 2 minutes and 20 seconds every single time, and there's no guarantee that you understood it the first time you heard it or the 15th time you heard it. Whereas my job as a teacher is to give you the direct feedback in the moment that helps you understand what's being presented, and my job is to figure out how to present it in a way where you can understand it. A video is designed to say a thing. My job is to say the thing you need to hear so that you understand it. Those are different things completely, in my opinion, and I don't think that attitude is necessarily embraced through our industry, which is pretty fledgling, despite the fact that I've been doing this a couple decades. To the best of my knowledge, Templeofpoi is the only brick and mortar Poi school that existed in the world for as long as it did. 18 years is a substantial period of time, and I think that makes it very different. So it makes sense to me that the videos show that, because what you're seeing in the videos is me actually teaching and giving direct feedback to people.